Welcome to Curious Kids Every Day. I'm Josh. How are you doing today? It's so good to hear from you. Do I sound a little different today? Yeah, I have the hiccups. Have you ever had the hiccups? What does it feel like to you? To me, it feels like my body is making me take a breath in really quickly. My mouth and my stomach move without me telling them to. But you know what? Whenever my kids have the hiccups, they say, "Daddy, I would like a spoonful of peanut butter, please." I can't tell you why, but it always works. Should I try it? Okay, here goes. Hey, I think it worked. They're gone. Have you ever wondered why you get hiccups? Hiccups happen when a muscle in your body does something it's not supposed to do, on accident. That muscle is called the diaphragm. Can you say diaphragm? It sits just under your lungs and helps you breathe in and out. Normally, when you breathe in, your diaphragm pulls downward. That makes space for your lungs to fill up with air. Then it relaxes and pushes back up to help you breathe out. But sometimes the diaphragm gets irritated and suddenly jerks down really fast, kind of like a spasm or a muscle twitch. When that happens, you suck in air really quickly and your vocal cords snap shut at the same time. That's what makes that sound. It's like your body is taking a breath and slamming the door shut at the same time. But what makes the diaphragm spasm? Well, it could be a few things. It could be eating too fast, drinking a fizzy drink, getting really excited or nervous, or even laughing a lot. Most of the time, hiccups go away on their own after a little while, but there are all sorts of silly tricks people try. Holding their breath, drinking water upside down, or, yes, eating a spoonful of peanut butter. No one really knows why these tricks sometimes work, but they seem to distract your body just long enough to stop the hiccup cycle. So, hiccups might be a little annoying, but they're totally normal. It's a reminder of all the cool things your body does without you even thinking about it, like breathing. When was the last time you had the hiccups? Do you remember? How long did they last? All right, let's have a quiz and see if we remember what we learned today. What muscle causes hiccups? That was called the diaphragm. What snaps shut to make the hiccup sound? Do you remember? Those are your vocal cords. Name one thing that can cause hiccups. Yep, a few things can. Eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, getting excited, things like that. Let's play true or false. True or false? Hiccups happen because of your heart. False. True or false? Hiccups are dangerous. False. They're totally normal. True or false? Eating peanut butter can sometimes stop hiccups. That is true. Would you rather get the hiccups every time you laugh or sneeze every time someone says your name? I think I would rather get the hiccups every time I laugh. That at least sounds more pleasant than sneezing a bunch. Okay, let's see if you can remember one more time. What's the name of the muscle that controls your breathing and causes hiccups when it spasms? Do you remember? That is called your diaphragm. Okay, I'm going to play a sound, and you tell me, is that a hiccup or not? Yep, that's a hiccup. What about this one? That's not a hiccup. What about this one? That's a hiccup. What about this one? That's not a hiccup. Even things as silly as hiccups have an explanation. It's amazing how our bodies work. Even when they're doing something a little out of the ordinary, they're still doing such interesting things. What kind of question do you think we'll ask tomorrow on Curious Kids Every Day? I can't wait to find out. So until then, keep asking questions and stay curious, kids. And for all the grown-ups listening, I just want to say thank you so much for telling other parents about this show. The show continues to grow every single week, and I am really surprised because I am doing very little to promote it, so thank you. I would love for you to visit CuriousEveryday.com to get a free printable with activity ideas that don't involve screens. Those are the best kinds of adventures to have. That's CuriousKidsEveryday.com. See you tomorrow. Oh no, they're back!